What is up, everybody? This is Moritz here from Sectionster once again, and today we are going to be having a look at these social icon sections right here. So I'm going to show you in this tutorial how you can customize your very own, and the way I'm going to be using it today is within this test store I'm owning myself. I'm going to add it to this little footer section right here, and definitely stick around until the end because I'm going to show you as well how you can get that implemented as well. So yeah, let's get right into it. The first thing I did for this is that I headed on over to the Shopify app store with that where I did get the Section Store app. It's a component library with over 300 fully customizable Shopify exclusive components, and the one we will be having a look at today is this one. Let's click on it real quick. This is the social icons. It does come with all these customization options. It has a one-time fee of $9. It means if you bought it once, you're also going to own it forever, and you're not going to need an expensive developer to custom code this one for you. And like I said, at the end of the day, you can still change everything how you want it. So it's a big time and money saver. Before you can actually use it, you have to head to the My Sections area of the app, where you have to add it to the theme you're using. In my case, it is this one, but it does work on every theme, so don't worry about that one. Alright, let's jump right into it. This is the theme and editor you saw in the beginning of the video, and for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just gonna get rid of this one, and I'm gonna hide this one for now. So let's just save it up real quick. And now I would like to add the sectioner. So we're gonna type in social icons. That is the one. And now the first thing I would like to do is actually add the logo of my company. In this case, I just picked Nike because I think it's a nice example of how it can look like, but you can of course pick every logo. I recommend to use a PNG so you can get the transparent effect of it, and here you can change the logo size as well. You can even link it to something. Here we have that little text underneath it. You can also change the heading size, the actual font you're using there, pretty much everything. Of course, the whole thing is fully responsive as well, as you can see right here. Let's switch back. And yeah, bunch of other customization options. Here you can see we have a little gradient going on. So I could also pick a different one if I would just get rid of that line of code. So I'm gonna delete this. And now I can pick a different gradient. So for example, if you would want red, that is also possible. So maybe we're gonna switch to something which is looking a bit more bluish. So maybe this one. And for the other color, we are going to pick our the primary. So we are getting something like this. Let's just save it up real quick and have a look at it. Yeah, this is looking fine. If we don't want that, we can also just pick that one above and delete this one. So we're not going to have anything there. So like that, we're going to get the different color. Let's just save it up real quick. And yeah, bunch of other things you can do with it, like changing the padding here so it has a bit more space to the top. And of course, you have all the icons right here. You can select. You can also add custom icons, and then of course you can add the links to whatever you prefer. So if I want to do the Instagram, that is of course working, and now we have the external link to Instagram. And yeah, that is pretty much that. And as I showed you in the beginning of the video, we also have this block in our store. It's called Text Block Pro. So it's that one. So I'm just going to show you how this works. So if I click on it, I do have a bunch of customization options as well. I can upload an image too, and here I can change the background as well, and also add some text, which is of course fully changeable as well in size and whatever shape you prefer. And now we're going to save it all up, have a final look at it in the live version, and then we can happily round it up. So let's give this a little reload, and here we already can see the customizations we have done to the color, to font. And yeah, that's pretty much it. One other thing I would like to explain to you is that you can pick the spot of the section wherever you want. So I could drag it up here as well, but I do think it looks the nicest in the footer. But at the end of the day, it is up to you. And yeah, with that being said, have a good one and peace out.